Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into how Google Business Profile can supercharge your local SEO and boost your rankings. If you are a local business looking to get more visibility, this is the video for you. Let's get started. So, how Google Business Profile can boost your local rankings? The first option is Introduction to GBP, Google Business Profile. Then we are talking about how GBP or GMB impacts local rankings. Then we are talking about key elements of GBP profile. Then how Google My Business or Google or GBP can boost your local rankings. Some strategies or checklists. Then the power of customer reviews. Then we are talking about GMB updates and posts. Then we are talking about the impact on local SEO, the final tips of for success. So first of all, we are talking about introduction to Google Business Profile or Google My Business. First of all, Google My Business or Google Business Profile is a free tool that allows local businesses to manage their online presence across Google Search and Google Maps. It's one of the most important factors when it comes to local SEO. But why is it so powerful? Let's talk a look. Let's take a look. So this is a Google Business Profile. The business name is John's Plumbing and Rain Services. Actually, look like this Google Business Profile. Name, address, phone number are available. Then we are going to how GMB or GBP impacts local SEO rank. So when you create and optimize your GMB or GBP profile, your business has the chance to appear in the local page. The box that appears at the top of Google's search results when someone searches for a local service, it can even show up on Google Maps. But to get there, your profile needs to be poorly optimized. This is the example of a Google Map pack. So I am go to Google and queries plumbing services in Los Angeles. Google shown me top three best local SEO results, local business results in the three map pack. You can see all these listings are here in the Google map pack because they are optimizing their business, their GDP or and their website is friendly. There we're talking about key elements of GMB profile, most important parts of local SEO. Let's break down the key elements of a GMB profile. To start, you will want to ensure these essentials are filtered out. Number one, business address. Number one, business name. Number two, business address. Number three, phone number. This is called map, NAT, name, address, and phone number. Then business hours, reviews, website URL, photos, service offered. Each of these helps build trust with Google's and with potential customers. You can see the business name John's Plumbing and Rent Services. Then the category is plumber here, and the location plumber in Los Angeles, California are optimized. Then the addresses are included in their GDB profile. Then their service area are added in their profile. Then their hours open 24 hours, then their phone number and also their website. They fulfill all the local SEO criteria. Then we are talking about how Google My Business can boost your local rankings. Here's the thing. It's not enough just to fill in these details. You need to optimize your profile to make sure you stand out. Here are some tips. So tips number one, use accurate, consistent information. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number NAP are the same across all platforms. Choose the right categories for your business. This helps Google know exactly what you do and shows your business in the right search results. Number three, added high quality photos of your business, photos of your products, team, or storefront can significantly boost engagement. You can see that this business is added all these sections step by step. You can see photos, team members, anything they are adding in their business profile. So next up, we are talking about the powerful of customer reviews. The power of customer reviews. Very important parts of local SEO. Reviews are a hard factor when it comes to local rankings. Google uses your reviews to determine your credibility and relevance. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Respond to them, both the good and the bad reviews. This is the screenshot of business reviews and response. You can see all these things step by step. Their customer, uh, the business name is One Total Service Plumbering. The satisfied customer are reviews in their GBP profile. Then the owner are reply their review. This is a good factor and good for local SEO. Then we are talking about GMB posts and updates. Did you know you can post updates directly to your GMB profile? You can share special offers, events, and even new product launches. This post keeps your profile fresh and encourage customers directly on Google. And also, Google Google know or Google understand you are seriously on to your business. This is the main factor. The next part is the impact on local SEO. By optimizing your GMB profile, you are giving your business a better chance to show up in the local tag, which is turn drives more traffic to your website or storefront. More traffic leads to more conversions, whether it's a call, visit, or sale. This is the local SEO success funnel. So first of all, you have an optimized website. Second option is search result appearance, then interest clicks, then sales growth. The sales process, local SEO sales process funnel works in this way. The next part is final tips for success. To recap, here are some final tips to make the most of your Google business profile. Keep your information up to date, respond to customer reviews regularly, edit photos and posts frequently, monitor your listing to see what's working. This is the local SEO optimization checklist. First of all, optimize for web search. Second, consistent nav. Third, build local citations. Fourth, optimized website. Fifth, Google My Business setup. And sixth, bulk-friendly design. All these are local SEO optimization checklist. So the final conclusion. Google My Business is a powerful tool, and when used right, it can dramatically increase your local visibility. Take the time to optimize your profile, engage with your customers, and watch your local rankings soar. This is the local SEO optimization full scenario. You can see. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you need to help setting up or optimizing your Google business profile, drop us a message. I'm Apun, and I see you in the next video. Thank you so much.